Hey there, Service Pros. This is Christian from Workies. In this video, we're going to talk about how to keep track of your equipment and other installations. As a field service business, there's a good chance that a big chunk of your revenue comes from installations. And for every install, you need to know exactly what that equipment is, who it belongs to, where it's installed, the services you've performed, and more. With Workies, it's never been easier. Let's take a look at equipment tracking. First thing we'll have to do is enable the add-on from the Feature Center. After that, we'll want to head over to our Pricebook editor from the sidebar menu over here on the left. From here, we'll want to start adding the equipment items that we'll be using on jobs. You can do this by creating a new item from scratch or updating an existing one you've created in the past. The one thing to point out here is that you'll need to make sure that all of your equipment items are set to type equipment from this drop-down menu right here. After we've got all of our equipment items ready to go, we'll head over to one of our jobs. We'll just add one of those equipment items from our price book, and you'll see a new icon in the Actions column. Track this equipment. Clicking it automatically adds the equipment to the job and the client's profile. From there, you can head over to the Equipment tab to fill in any extra details like the warranty info, serial number, and anything else you want to track. Okay, now let's talk about the future services that you're going to provide for that equipment. We'll open up another job for this one. This time, we'll add any non-equipment item, like product or service, and you'll see a different icon, Link to Equipment. This lets you connect the line item and this job to an existing piece of equipment saved to this client's profile. Quick note on this, you'll only see equipment tied to both this client and the property linked to the job. If a client has multiple properties, you'll only see equipment saved to this specific one. After it's linked, you can open up the equipment's history log to see the original install date plus the service date that you just added. And while we recommend adding equipment as a part of a job, you can also add it directly to a client's profile. Perfect for tracking equipment your team didn't install but still services. Everything you've seen here also works on the mobile app. Add line items, track or link equipment, update details in the Equipment tab, and view full service history, all on the go. Last thing I want to show you is how to keep track of all of the equipment your team has worked on in the past. You can do that in a couple different ways. If you want to look at equipment that you've saved for a specific client, just head over to their profile page. If you want to look at all equipment you've saved as a team, you can do that from the Equipment report. And that's equipment tracking in Workies, keeping every detail at your fingertips from install to ongoing service. Feel free to subscribe to this channel for all the latest on how Workies can help your business grow. Thanks for watching.